Mmadụ Pologo nyege efi ga-eji bemele ashebi Igwe Credo. Iwe weleze the crowd je make your own marriage. Hey, odromma. Go on onwe gị iyi that crowd we me marriage abụlọ any problem. Mana ị gara iche after JPAC mechi ho chọrọ ime. Yeah, I greet you my brothers, my sisters. E get waiting the trend online concerning our brother JPAC and our brother Igwe Credo. Though you know say prank dey too much on social media. When real thing happen, we no go know. So prank is too much. I don't know whether this is a prank or no be prank. I don't know. But if this thing no be prank, Igwe Credo, nah, if email ya, wetin you do no good. Your friend JPAC nyelegu crowd efe unu ga-eji bemele ashebi with other brothers, not only you. He gave you people the crowd wey una go use do am ashebi on 26th of this month, October 2024. After he gave you the clothes, you now wear that clothes to do your court wedding. Snap the picture, post it online. You no good. You no good at all. Some of you where they blame JPAC, I don't know. I'm all of me for some people. Think about this. Obu no go to the wedding. Or some of your friends, Nde from Nanya. Do you know that JPAC love Igwe Credo? That is why JPAC called him. If na you won't do wedding, you choose some of your friends who go do your ashebi. You give them the clothes, the uniform they wear. Now after the uniform, one person abia, sinazo, yi that clothes. Jena na munye make wedding, something like court wedding. Snap their set pictures and post it online without the same clothes. How will you feel? If Igwe Credo mele, Odromma. Igwe Credo need to apologize to JPAC. What he did, Odromma. Somebody did a girlfriend. I have to show other people got what shoes or no shoes. Ibulu among them. Go to Mele Ashebi. You have the sinners who will have the same clothes. Hey, Odromma, ho ha. Onye fi for joy, boy for joy. Go on support Igwe Credo ni Igwe Credo medumma. Mma de megia, mma no ga de mma. I don't know why some people unu fi ihe do acho na asla odoji. Unu fu ihe Odromma or na cover ya. I don't know. If you Igwe Credo men Odromma, I don't know them, but it's not good. So unu blame JPAC. You people should stop blaming JPAC. Igwe Credo need to apologize to JPAC.